Chevra, we're back at Fallsburg Bagels. Yochi, the boss, called me now and says, Chaim, I have a yiddish, a new recipe cheesecake you have to taste. So here we are. Okay, let's check in over here. Have Yochi. How you doing? Wow, so you said there's a new recipe yiddish cheesecake.
Yes.
And I have to come taste it. Hoshana gonna taste the night cheesecake?
No,
Okay, come to the back. Let's go check it out. Okay, Yochi, what is this new cheesecake you're talking about?
This cheesecake was developed here in Fallsburg Bagels and Bakery.
Get back kick. Wow.
And the amount of cheesecakes we sell after we change the recipe is unbelievable.
What made you come up with a new recipe?
Because you always want to go higher and higher. It's like you want to finish more daf and daf with Rabbi Stefanski. You want to make your product better and better.
Wow, so you came up with a new recipe cheesecake and you say this is the hottest, best, newest cheesecake out there.
My son Erzi developed it.
Developed a new recipe?
He had a little help from Bruce.
Who's Bruce?
Bruce is our baker that was here for that's baked for 60 years already. He helped him a little bit. His knowledge is very, very important here in the bakery. And but basically my son Erzi, he basically developed this cheesecake.
What's this flavor? This
is marble.
Marble.
And this is blueberry.
Blueberry.
Cherry and caramel.
Aha. Now what are we waiting for?
Okay, so Chaim, let's taste it so you can see for yourself what it's all about.
Okay, well, cake. Look at that. How neat. When the slice is good, you know it's good.
It's creamy. The sweetness is perfect.
See, a lot of times it's too sweet, the cheesecake. People don't like that heavy sweetness that, you know what I'm saying? So this is a perfect slice of it. Let's make a chocolate right now. We should start from the top or the bottom. On a slice of pizza, you always know.
That's you know, it's like a slice of pizza. Where do you start? You know?
Yeah. Wow.
Yep.
It's talking something else. This.
And it's charcoal. There's no flour in it.
Really?
Yep. No flour in it.
This is something else. The caramel on top, the glaze, the whole full, the ganze situation there. The flavor. Yochi, this is talking something else.
Yeah, this is our signature, one of our signature items.
So what does this have with the sourdough? So I see you have the sourdough out here too.
Sourdough also we fixed up.
The sourdough you also fixed up. So you have the sourdough, which is also a new recipe, and you have the...
That's a new recipe. We found the very, very good flour that we're using, and it gives a lot of body to it. It's very crispy. We take it and feel that crispy, and it's just really, really, really good.
So this is where it happens. You make it all over here. Wow, look, this is where it happens. In the bakery in the back of Fallsburg. Wow, Yochi, that's with the cheesecake.
That's cheesecake. Now we have another very big yiddish here in Fallsburg Bagels and Bakery.
What's the yiddish? Let me hear.
Catering. We mentioned a little bit last time, but we are probably the busiest caterer for Parv and Milch Catering. Baruch Hashem, we're very, very busy, and we even last minute jobs. We do Baruch Hashem, we do a lot of last minute jobs, but you need a last minute job. Call, my wife takes care of it, and
what's the number to call to make a milk event?
Catering is 845-798-4376. That's for catering.
That's for catering.
And Baruch Hashem, we do a lot of brisson, a lot of breakfast, and we're really, really Baruch Hashem, very, very busy. The catering. So if you need catering, this is the place to stop.
Fallsburg Bagels
and Bakery.
How many years are you open again?
23 years. Last time I left off 1 year last time. It's 23 years.
23 years. Yochi, you know I always like to get my guys involved with questions. Yochi, I'm going to ask the question for my followers. If they know it, they get a dozen donuts. Glazed twist donuts. Those
if they want those, they can take donuts. Either or.
Anyone, donuts or glazed twist. The question is, Yochi, how many donuts did you sell on Tisha B'Av?
Okay.
Whoever knows the answer, Chevra, come with the answer. How many donuts you sold on Tisha B'Av and you get it?
No, not donut. Glazed twist.
Glazed?
I'm a glazed twist.
How many glazed twists?
I'm a glazed twist sold on Tisha B'Av.
How many glazed twists were sold on Tisha B'Av and you get a dozen glazed twists, Chevra? Come in and check out Yochi. Remember the new cheesecake. Come taste it this week. Taste that sourdough challah.
And the catering.
Chevra. You have the phone number. Check in with Yochi for delicious catering milkshakes. Yochi, thank you so much for bringing me down and giving me that cheesecake to taste.
Thank you for supporting all the businesses that you support, and you give them all the chizik, and every business that advertises you should be very, very matzliach.
Yochi, we can't finish over that Perlowitz car promotion. Yochi, I'm putting one by you in your pocket. All right, the first guy who approaches Yochi Klitnik from the store and says, Yochi, give me that Perlowitz promotion card. You win it. And Chevra, don't forget, send me the number. The first guy who sends me the correct number gets a dozen glazed twists. Send a message to me, 347-563-5219. That's my number, 347-563-5219. You might win a dozen.
Also, I want to thank all our customers that came out all year round. It's come towards the end of the summer, and I'm not going to have the opportunity to thank all my customers and all the Perlowitz viewers. Thank you so much for coming here. It was a great summer, like a one big happy family, and I hope next year we should be doing this in Shleimah HaKodesh.